Hello and welcome to our Blow Your Mind YouTube channel, where we explore innovative solutions for a sustainable future. Today, we are going to talk about water reuse techniques in agriculture, a crucial aspect of ensuring food security and reducing the strain on our planet's limited water resources. So, let's dive right in. Water is the lifeblood of agriculture, but it's a precious resource that's often wasted due to inefficient irrigation methods. That's why water reuse techniques have become increasingly important in modern farming practices. 1. Drip irrigation. One such technique is drip irrigation, which involves delivering water directly to the roots of plants through a network of tubes and emitters. This method not only reduces water waste but also increases crop yields and reduces the risk of waterborne diseases. Drip irrigation is particularly effective in areas with limited water resources, as it allows farmers to make the most of every drop. Additionally, it reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides, making it a more environmentally friendly option. 2. Rainwater harvesting. Another innovative technique is rainwater harvesting, which involves collecting and storing rainwater for use in irrigation. This method not only reduces the strain on groundwater resources but also provides a reliable source of water during periods of drought. Rainwater harvesting is a simple yet effective way to conserve water and reduce the reliance on external sources. It's especially useful for small-scale farmers who may not have access to large water supplies. 3. Subsurface drip irrigation. Subsurface drip irrigation, or SDI, is another technique that's gaining popularity in modern agriculture. It involves burying drip irrigation tubes underground, which reduces evaporation and runoff while increasing crop yields. SDI is particularly effective in areas with high evaporation rates, as it reduces the amount of water lost to the atmosphere. Additionally, it allows farmers to apply fertilizers and pesticides more precisely, reducing waste and environmental impact. 4. Greywater irrigation. Ever wondered what happens to the leftover shower water? Greywater, it is the used water from sinks, showers, and washing machines. It can be treated and used for irrigation of non-edible plants like ornamentals or fruit trees. 5. Precision agriculture. Technology can be our friend. Using sensors and data analysis, farmers can precisely target irrigation to specific areas of the field that need it most. So, what are the benefits of water reuse techniques in agriculture? For starters, they reduce water waste and conserve this precious resource. They also increase crop yields, reduce the risk of waterborne diseases, and promote more sustainable farming practices. In conclusion, water reuse techniques are a crucial aspect of modern agriculture, offering numerous benefits for farmers, the environment, and our planet's limited water resources. By adopting these innovative methods, we can ensure a more sustainable future for generations to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content on sustainable living and innovative solutions for a better world.